Right, good morning everybody. In the last few days I've been asked a few times the difference between clips and highlights and how to get Twitch stuff onto YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a quick tutorial of that and show people how to do it and how easy it is from Twitch. So let's get into it. First of all, clips are the easiest one. Clips, you can literally just go onto a channel just like this. Click on a channel. You can click down here on the video. There's a little clapboard. You click the clapboard just like that and it'll bring up this page. On this page you'll get to edit your clip up to 60 seconds just like that. You select how long you want it. You can rename it, like I've named it clip test, and you click publish. It'll go through all this, it'll publish the clip, and you'll have loads of share options afterwards. This shouldn't take too long. So when this finishes, it will come up with the share options underneath. I think you can only download from your own channel, so on here you'll have more, you'll have the link and everything. So that's how you make a clip. Then to download that clip from your own channel, all you have to do is go onto this contents tab here on your stream manager. Go to your clips page. On your clips page you've got clips that you've created, and then below that you can go clips of my channel, which is where you want to go, and to download them you simply go to the right hand side and you click the download button and it will start downloading the clip you want. So that's how easy clips are, and you can then upload them to YouTube in the normal way. Clips are simple. Next, you've got the option of going to your video producer, which is here. Now the video producer gives you a list of all other videos, including all your VODs and all your highlights. Now, if you go to past broadcast, that's all your VODs. You can click this button here, click the export button, export to YouTube, give it a title, give it a description. You can put some tags in there. You can choose whether it's public or private straight away as soon as it's exported to YouTube. I'd recommend private so you can double check that it's not got any copyright claims on it before you make it public. If it's a long one, you can split it into 15-minute segments if you don't want it all in one video. And then all you do is click start export and it will start exporting it to YouTube, and when it's done it will be in your list of videos on your YouTube channel. That's how simple it is to export a VOD. Now you could also from here go to your highlights. You can click on here and that also has the export button. So important thing here is that when you're in your video producer, on your VODs, you can pick a VOD, click the highlight button, just like that, and in the highlights bit, let's mute that, you can select much longer sections of video, much longer than the clips, as long as you want. This yellow section here, you can extend it to where you want the clip to start. So for example, I want it to start on the 50-minute mark on that video, and maybe something good happened for 10 minutes, there's a good discussion or something, or you were making a video for YouTube and you didn't want to record at the same time, you just wanted to clip it out of your VOD. You can just go to the end of where you were talking, click there, give your highlight a name up here. So like up here you can change the title to something for that. Click highlight test, your highlight's done, and you can click publish highlights. Now you could also move the player head, so you're playing it up to here, you can click on this trim button here. Is that right? Cannot split oh no, if your playhead is within Is it right? Is that right? If it's within there, You can then click the split segment at playhead, and that'll split it there, and that'll change the highlight. Now you can also zoom in and out to see a more cut down timeline, so you can be more accurate. You can click this button here and center the timeline on the playhead. You can change your zoom range without the plus and minus to how close you want it in. You can get it right down to 1 minute, or you can zoom out to the full length of the video. Then if you press the preview selected segment, it will start at the beginning of your highlight and play all the way through to the end. And once you've finished, you press the publish highlights, just like that. There you go. So once you've clicked the publish button, it'll come up with this screen. On this screen, you can edit your title and your description, and you can also click here to add a thumbnail. Now the thumbnails on the highlights section on Twitch have a maximum size of 1 megabyte. When you've selected your thumbnail, you can do all that, and once this processing highlight bit's done, you'll have down in the bottom right hand corner save changes, and then you'll have a new highlight on your videos section. Now if we go back to the video producer, click highlights, it'll end up in this list, and you can literally either go here, you can either download it or export it if you want to, and you can even edit the highlights once you've made them. But the export button is the same as before for the YouTube export. You can put a title in and a description for YouTube, and then all you have to do is click start export, and then it will export it to YouTube. Now if I go to my YouTube studio, on my videos list,
have a look at this.
I have a playlist here, which is all my VODs, Twitch VODs. All these have literally just been directly exported straight to YouTube, and they're on YouTube straight away, and they're all there. And one of the best things you can do with this, once you move them to YouTube, is you can go in here, and on the right hand side you'll have restrictions. These restrictions here will normally be a copyright claim, I should imagine. You can hover over copyright claim, you can go to see details, and if it's a song that you have a license to, you can go to see actions, you can dispute it, and you can go through the process there and dispute the copyright claim, let them know you've got a license, and the copyright claim will be removed. Now doing this is important if you've got a monetized YouTube channel, because if you don't do this, all of the money from the video, if you've got a copyright claim on it, will go to the copyright owner of that music, and that's not what you want if you're monetizing YouTube. So let's just go over that quickly. You've got your video producer here in your stream manager on your dashboard. In your video producer, you've got this section for highlights and past broadcasts, and you can go into all videos. You can select your highlights or your past broadcasts on there. Any one of those, you can click on the 3 dots over here, and you can export it straight to YouTube. And clips are separate, remember, clips are on the left hand side as well. You go into the clips section. On the right hand side, you've got clips I've created. That includes clips you've made on other people's pages, like this test one I just did on Crash's page. I can delete that there. But you can also go to clips of your channel, and even if someone else has made them, you can go down these and you can select whichever one you want. You can delete any clips you don't need, and it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button underneath the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and hopefully we'll see you over on Twitch at twitch.tv/Orangecroc.